My name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Navle. My clinic is located on FC Road, Pune. I'm orthodontics basically. So today I'm going to talk about Gel Keanu series from Essex. Okay. So recently it's an unboxing video where I'm going to unbox Essex Gel Keanu 27 model, which is the latest one. So I got this today itself. So these are the shoes. Yeah, so it looks good. So basically why I bought these shoes. Okay, so when we talk about Gel Keanu series of Essex, it's like since years, almost from 1993 they have launched their first model Keanu 1, and now it is 27. So they are upgrading shoes, and basically this series belongs to like people who hyperpronate and who have flat feet. Now basically these are stability shoes. Now when we talk about stability shoes, so what exactly it means, and what like hyperpronation, or we say flat foot. When the people like there are runners who have flat foot, they have tendency that while running they roll their feet inward. Okay, means they are not the neutral runners. For them it's better to have some support shoes or stability shoes. So this is the shoe which provides extra support, extra stability for running. So I am today just unboxing the shoes, but detailed review exactly how I feel after running I'm going to update it very soon. So I chose these shoes after watching so many YouTube videos plus reading articles about it, because I needed stability shoes. So I wanted a perfect one, so I chose this. So exactly what are the features, how it works, that I'm going to tell you. So it has very proper cushioning and dynamic Duomax technology. Okay, there is support on the heel area, as well as fly foam in the front heel area, and the midsole they have the Rafa-like system. Okay, and it is based on IGS system, that is impact guidance system. Basically they say it is through three parts. First one is the Gel Keanu, which is in the heel area. When you start running, it provides cushion, it absorbs all the impact. Second thing, the midline groove is there, that again is a part of IGS system. Third one, they flight foam, what they have provided in the front part of the shoe, it is again good for running and for stability, and basically it is good for long runs also. So these are the shoes. Again, this inner part is removable, the inner foam. Okay, it can be replaced whatever you want, like the customized sole, if you want you can replace it with that. Another thing, the tongue part about the shoe, it's quite comfortable. And about the lacing and all, it looks perfect. I will try these shoes, and definitely I will make video about how I feel after running in Gel Keanu 27. That's I'm going to update very soon. Yeah, another thing, like this time it's Gel 27, they have made some gender wise changes also. Like for females and males, they have given for females some softer part, this area specifically, and even the heel to toe drop, it is almost 10 to 11 mm I think, and the front sole area is 3 mm thicker in females compared to male. Now when we talk about heel to toe drop or drop of the shoe, basically it is the distance, the height of the heel area minus height of the front sole area is equal to the heel to toe drop. So it is almost 10 mm for this shoe. Let's see, I'll try these shoes and definitely get back to you how I feel. These are really good long run shoes, everything, very soon. Thanks for watching guys, take care, bye bye. I forgot to add two things. First is price of the shoe, it is 13,500. Okay, and the second thing is, whenever you are going for these shoes, try to buy one size larger. That's what I feel, because according to my measurement, I got one size larger shoes and it is fitting perfectly. The previous shoes which I have ordered, it was very tight, so I have ordered one size bigger shoes. So that is one more tip I thought it will be helpful for you. Okay, and the price is around 13,500 because it is recently launched. Maybe next year it will drop down. Bye bye. Hi everyone. So I'm reviewing this Gel Kayano 27 shoes which I have used for almost 2 to 3 months now. Okay, so this is the condition because I run in the soil, so it is all dirty now. So as we have discussed in my previous video, that what are the features and everything, apart from that, this is a review how I feel after the runs. I have used this product almost for all my morning runs, no matter whether 5 kilometers or 7 kilometers, or my long runs of 21 kilometers, 25 kilometers, and I feel extremely comfortable in these shoes. They are well cushioned. Even while running, like I'm running on the road also sometimes, and that time there is some like soil patch and you are running on a road, that time that transition when it happens, it's very smooth. You don't feel like your ankles are twisting when you suddenly shift from road to soil. So that is one major plus point. Overall shoes is so nice that post run whatever discomfort we usually get with the wrong type of shoes, I never got that with these shoes. I am totally in love with them. Okay, if I have to rate those shoes, definitely out of 5 I will give 4.5. The 0.5 will be reduced only the less I feel it is too short. When we feel like tying shoes properly, that time I feel it is not enough. They have not given lengthwise, it is not enough. And second thing, there is minor slippage like thing you feel at the heel area, backside of the heel area, when you wear the shoes and first 4-5 step you feel that it is like slightly coming out, but the moment you start running it will get adjusted. So only for that reason 0.5 is reduced. Otherwise shoes are perfect, great, I'm loving it. Bye bye.